Hello and welcome to Quintech, where we empower the next generation of finance professional. I'm Yash Jan, co-founder at Quintech. Our mission is to provide top-tier education and training that opens door for successful career in finance. Today, I'm excited to talk about crucial part of our commitment to our student success, our placement assistance program. This initiative is specifically designed to support students who have successfully completed skill level of ACCA program. Our placement assistance program is just not about finding a job. It is about finding the right job that aligns with your skills, interests, and career aspiration. Whether you are aiming to break into corporate finance, management accounting, or any other area within the field, we are here to help you to navigate your career path. Join me over next couple of minutes where we delve deeper into how placement assistance program works, the benefits you have, and how you can join it. So let's get started. At Quintech, our ACCA course is structured not only to meet but exceed global standards. The course is designed to equip you with necessary skills and knowledge to excel in finance industry. But it is not just about passing the exams. It is about real world application and achieving professional excellence. The skill level which you need to complete to qualify for our placement assistance program covers a range of crucial subjects from corporate and business law to performance management and financial reporting. These are not just courses, they are stepping stones to a prestigious roles in accounting, finance, and management. Each course is taught by industry experts with years of experience, ensuring you receive the best possible training. Our goal is just not to help you to pass the exams, but inspire and prepare you for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in your accounting career. With Quintech, you're not just signing up for an education, you're starting a pathway to success. Let's explore next how our placement assistance program can take you from classroom to career. One of the cornerstones of our program is interactive learning. We believe that true understanding in the field of accounting comes not just from textbook but from hands-on practical experiences. Imagine using actual finance and accounting tools where you apply your theoretical knowledge to a live scenario. These simulations are designed to mimic actual job conditions, giving you a taste of what it is like to make critical financing decisions under pressure. Beyond our core faculty, we regularly invite renowned industry experts to share their insight and experiences. These guest lectures and seminars provide you with a very rare opportunity to learn directly from current leaders in the field of accounting and finance. It is not just about learning what is in the books. It is about understanding how these principles are applied in real world. Through these interactive sessions and exposures to industry experts, our course ensures that you're not just academically prepared, but also industry ready. We are committed to providing an educational experience that is both enriching and practical, setting you up for the success in the dynamic field of accounting and finance. Our placements and training support are tailored to meet each student's individual career aspiration. Our dedicated team works closely with each student to build a standout resume. We conduct workshops focusing on how to effectively showcase your skills and experience. Our career counselors are always available to guide you through career options, helping you to find the best fit in the world of finance. Interview preparation is the key. We host mock interviews simulating real world scenario to ensure you are confident and prepared. Our experts provide constructive feedback focusing on both technical skills and soft skills, which are equally crucial in today's competitive job market. Networking is very vital when you are planning to land your dream job. We facilitate networking events, panel discussions, and alumni meetups, allowing you to connect with industry professionals and Quintech alumni. These interactions often open doors for internship opportunities and job placements. Our support does not end after the completion of the course. We stay connected with our alumni, offering continuous career guidance and access to ever growing professional network. This ensures that even after you landed with your first job, you remain valued member of the Quintech community with ongoing opportunities from growth and advancements. Through our comprehensive placement training and support, we ensure that each Quintech graduate is not just academically proficient but also industry ready and equipped to excel in the fast paced and challenging world of finance and accounting. Numbers often tell a compelling story. At Quintech, we take immense pride in our placement statistics, which reflect the effectiveness of our program and trust the finance industry have placed in our graduates. Our students have been welcomed into some of the most prestigious financial institutions worldwide. Top tier accounting firms like KPMG, Deloitte, EY, and BDO, Grant Thornton are among our regular recruiters. Our network isn't limited to these giants. We also connect our students with emerging fintech startups, boutique investment firms offering a wide range of opportunities. Our professional network spans the country from Mumbai, India's finance capital, to Delhi, India's capital, and other major cities like Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, etc. As a result, our alumni and corporate connections create a web of opportunities for our graduates. One of the most frequent inquiries of our prospective students is about earning potential after our placement assistance program. Let me provide you with some insights to the average salary our graduates command in an Indian finance sector. The average starting salary of our ACCA graduates in India ranges between 6 lakh per annum to 12 lakh rupees per annum. Also, our alumni have been placed in various roles in management accounting, financial analysis, international taxation, and other prestigious finance and accounting profiles. The salary package, of course, varies and depends on the company and the individual's prior experience and skill set. It is also crucial to understand these figures are just starting point. The accounting sector in India offers immense growth potential. Our alumni have experienced significant salary hikes within first few years of their career, with some reaching senior position at an accelerated pace. At Quintech, we not only focus on helping you to secure a well-paying job, but also in laying a foundation for a career that offers substantial growth both professionally and financially. Our course equips you with the skills and knowledge that are highly valued in finance industry, setting you up for successful and rewarding career. A question that we often encounter is whether Quintech offers a placements guarantee. Let's address this directly and transparently. While we are incredibly proud of our high placement rates and success of our alumni, it is important to understand a job guarantee isn't something that any educational institute can ethically promise. The simple reason placements are influenced by multitude of factors including market conditions, individual students' performance, personal aspirations, etc. What we do guarantee at Quintech is our unwavering commitment to provide you with the highest education qualification, robust career support, and access to our extensive professional network. Our placement team work tirelessly to create opportunities to guide you through the recruitment process, equip you with the skills and knowledge required to succeed in competitive interviews. So while a guarantee in traditional sense isn't feasible, a dedicated approach to education and career support function as a robust framework to maximize your employment opportunity is definitely feasible. At Quintech, your success is our top priority, and we are committed to walking this path with you every step of the way. At Quintech, we believe in empowering the next generation of finance professionals. Join us to embark on a journey that transforms your potential into success. Thank you for watching this, and I eagerly await you the opportunity to welcome to our Quintech family.